Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a template for a resume. First, select a template that aligns with your career goals and the specific job you're applying for. Consider the industry standards and the company culture. A well-chosen template can make a strong first impression, so take your time. Ensure it has a clean, professional design that is easy to read and navigate. Once you have your template, it's time to personalize it. Replace all placeholder text with your actual experience, education, and skills. Don't be afraid to adjust the font and color scheme to reflect your personal brand, but keep it professional. Consistency is key. Make sure headings, bullet points, and dates are formatted uniformly throughout the document. Now, let's focus on the content. Instead of just listing duties, highlight your achievements and quantify them whenever possible. For example, increase sales by 15% is much more impactful than responsible for sales. Use strong action verbs to describe your contributions. Finally, proofread your resume multiple times to catch any typos or grammatical errors. A flawless resume shows attention to detail. Before sending, always save your resume as a PDF to ensure the formatting remains consistent across all devices. Remember to tailor your resume for each job application, highlighting skills and experiences most relevant to that specific role. This targeted approach significantly increases your chances. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Good luck with your job search.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.